that doesn't mean you shouldn't be worried about. This is actually what modern Blizzard can deliver. It's fucking really, really bad. Really, really bad. With every positive change Blizzard has managed, this alone almost cancels all of them out, in my opinion. And they've taken a serious problem with the ARM team and botting, but attacked it from the wrong angle. So they created like a whole new heap of actual game-breaking serious problems that made people not be able to play the game like it's intended. This change, I think, isn't even implemented now. They had to remove it because it just broke the game too much.